Hey guys, Mark Thompson here. Thanks for stopping by the Bonus Press sales thread. Now, it's no secret, we all know the money is in the list, right? You've heard that 1,000 times. Anyone who has made money online and is successful has been, making it a priority to build a targeted email list. But really, that's only step one of making money. Step two is providing value to your audience and to your email subscribers so that they can continue to purchase things that you promote. And there's no better way to do that than offering bonus offers or bonus incentives. Okay, if you talk to any internet marketers, I do this myself, offering a bonus package can double or triple your conversion rates and your affiliate commissions. I know when I first started promoting other people's products as an affiliate, my conversion rates were really low. They were between 2 and 5%. And then I started offering incentives to my list if they bought through my link. And I noticed that once I started offering bonus packages and bonus products, that my conversions doubled. I was getting anywhere from 10 to 20% conversions on a consistent basis, which just meant that my affiliate revenue was doubling and tripling as well. And so you don't need to have a huge list to have this strategy work for you, but you're just maximizing the amount of money that you can make from your list. And so that's exactly what Bonus Press is all about. Bonus Press is a WordPress plugin that helps you to create professionally designed bonus pages for your affiliate offers. Now, I'm not going to go through all of the features here on the video. You can go look in this thread. There's a demo of the back end of how it works. There's also a breakdown of all of the different features that Bonus Press offers. And it's absolutely unbelievable. I think you guys are going to love it. There's nothing out there in the market that allows you to create bonus pages that are going to convert extremely high. So I think you guys are absolutely going to love it. We're launching this at a 7-day discounted sale. We're giving a 75% discount before we raise it up to probably $37 or $47. We haven't really decided yet, but we're going to offer this introductory price for you guys. So make sure that you grab this plugin. If you guys want to make any money online and you want to maximize your list, you want to add additional value to your list and get people buying through your link, you need to be offering bonus incentives. And so Bonus Press is, we hope to be the industry standard for anyone who's looking to create nicely designed bonus pages. So make sure you check out the rest of the sales thread. You'll see exactly what's included in the plugin, and check out the demo so you can see exactly how it works. It's super simple to set up. You can set up bonus pages within 5 or 10 minutes flat. So I look forward to seeing you guys inside the members area, and we'll talk to you soon.